In this video, I will show you how to create the plan view for tutorial 3, question 3, first angle, part B. Okay, so we are to create this plan view. Okay, for this part here, this is the front, it is a right view. Okay, so let's look at how the 3D model looks like. So for the 3D model, okay, this is the front view. This is the right view. All right, notice there's a sloping line. Okay, which represents this area. Okay, we have a sloping line here, which represents this entire slope. And the last slope that we have is this one here. It represents this one, like a T shape, okay, like a plus shape. Right. So how does it look in 3D? Look like this. If I turn it around, right, you'll see this face, right? This line here, okay, like this. Okay, so if I look at the front view and look for the top, it's going to look like this with some hidden lines here and here. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's start off doing the part. Okay, same thing here. Let's off drawing the construction line. This is front view. Take note, the 45 degrees line doesn't start from here. It starts from the extreme feature, drop down to meet with the extreme bottom. All right, then from here, go to thin line. Okay, 135 degrees. Okay, make sure your pulse tracker on is 45 degrees. Go to 135. All right, go near towards the end of the border. Okay, because I want to make sure that the line is sufficiently long. And then go to construction, and we start off with creating the item. All right, so for me, I will start off with drawing the boundary first. Okay, because sometimes I just want to know how big is this guy. Okay, all right, so I know that this thing can never be bigger than this box. All right, like I mentioned to you, we always start off with doing things that we know first, right? So we know that this is horizontal and this horizontal. Okay, this is a rectangle basically. Okay, of this length and this width. Okay, so let's start off with drawing something. Always draw with what we know first. All right. So I know that it's the rectangle is going to be this. We start from here. Okay, it's going to be this tall. Okay. Where else? It's going to be like this across. Come back down. Here and here. Okay. All right. So that means this thing is going to be a rectangle. Right. Okay. Just need to draw one more line across. Okay. Next thing. Will be this feature here. Flat top. Must compare this, right? Uncheck something. Uncheck where does it come from. Is this? We have a flat line, straight line, and straight line here. That means it's going to be a rectangle. Okay. So this rectangle, same thing. We have to trace off from here to get the starting position of the rectangle, and the ending position of the rectangle is from here. Okay. So I know this is going to be a rectangle. Okay. A rectangle like this. For this top face, how about this slumping face? Right from here to here, it's going to be a rectangle as well. All right. So now I have these three lines. Okay, just an outline, and from outline, I will draw down the line connecting them, and it's going to be this is going to connect to here, like this. Okay. All right. So how about this front face? This one. Okay. It seems that this front face it connects to the same starting position as this one here. Okay, starting position is this one. Okay, this slope here, all right, this slope here from here, this point to this point. Okay, maybe I just draw it on the screen. Okay, basically I'm talking about this line here. Okay, of the hidden portion. Okay, all right, this line here. Okay, I just know the starting and end position. Start is here, end is here. Okay, drop down, drop down. Okay, if I compare with this shape here on the front, okay, this T shape, last shape here, okay, it's going to be formed like this. Okay, all right, so let me just go to outline to draw things that I know. Okay, how I know it's going to end here? I mean, it's going to be same in line because this T shape is in line with the top part. Okay, same line. Right, then now we need to move on to draw the horizontal line. Why? Because if you see a square or a rectangle with a straight line, means this must be a straight line. Okay, so line from here to here, like this. Go up, same distance up. Why? Because it's going to be this and this are on the same line. Where does it end? It's going to end somewhere here, right? Because this line ends here, right? So it has to end somewhere here. Okay, then next, how about this line? Okay, since it's this long, it's going to end from here. Okay, drop down to this one, and from here go to here. Okay, all right, and then I need to connect them up together like this. Okay, all right, because there's a slope here, so it means I know the start, I know the end, connect them together. Okay, all right, so we got down the this portion here. So what's next? Okay, so next thing is let's see what we can always look out for. What are the things that we can do? Right, know that this portion here is going to be a cutout. Okay, there's hidden line here represents a cutout like this. Okay, and it seems that the front part is shorter. Okay, the end part is going to be bigger. All right, so let's do the back one first, since we know, or we can also try to complete this feature if we want to. All right, since we are already here, as well, we try to complete this feature. We know that this one here, this feature here, okay, from here to here is going to be this big. It's going to be this big. So from here, we drop down, go across, like this. Okay, from here it starts here. Okay, and then it stops here. You do it slowly. Sometimes you may not okay gets attached on. And what else? And we know that it's going to be a slope right down this way, right, all the way to here. Okay, right, because this is the like a thickness. This is the front. This is the front view. This is the right view. The right view has a surface here like this, which coincides with this one, and it goes back to the front part. Okay, so most likely it's going to be like this. The front part is like this. Okay, so this, and this is my yellow line. Okay, and then I'm going to have this point to this point, and this one is going to be this point. It's going to be my outline. Okay, all right. So okay, so we have this face here that you can see from the top. It's going to be from here like this. Okay, trending up to here, the upper side. Okay, so just compare, make sure we got the right feature. Yeah, it's the right feature, correct feature to draw your to okay, to draw the line. All right, so this tall is correct. Okay, okay, so now we need to continue to draw the next one. So we know the next one is going to be this feature here. Okay, let's see if we can draw this C shape. Okay, so next one is going to be from here onwards to start. Okay, so you're going to start somewhere here, drop the line down from here. We know it's going to start here. Okay, start somewhere here. Okay, the C shape. Okay, where else is going to this is the upper one, this one here, right? So draw across is going to be here. This ends here. So draw the line down, it's going to be here. Okay, so we're going to match this one and then draw a line from here to here upwards. So this is all going to be an outline. And then what else? Okay, then okay, let's check. Let's check something. Let's do here first. It's going to be like this. Okay, good. All right, and then the enter. Okay, what's the next point? This one. It seems to coincide with this one. Coincide with this line. So from this line, I'm going to draw, and this line is somewhere is going to be the top end, right? Top here. So here. So this one ends here. So I'll draw it here. Alright, let's just double check my lines. This is some of my lines not that correct. Okay, good. Okay, I thought it was off the position. So this is correct. So this is going to be my C shape. Okay, C shape. Okay, since it's going to be the top part is going to be a rectangle. So that means it's going to be like this. It's going to be a outline, and then I have a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Okay, rectangle from this point here to here. Okay, so I need to have a rectangle here. So let me change the outline to draw something. Okay, so I have my rectangle here, represented by this one, this line here. And I know that, okay, this has to be connected. Okay, this C shape here, this line here, connecting them. So from here to here is connected. What else? I have a feature here, like this straight one here. So that means it's going to be a line all the way down, slope all the way down to the front, right? So there might be a line from here, goes all the way to the front. Okay, and then the thickness is this white, same as this line here. So it's going to end up like this. Alright, so then let's double check is any missing line. Okay, this line here to this one here. Okay, seems yeah, okay. Alright, then now we check for hidden details. Okay, see, is there any hidden details here? Since there's a portion here. Alright, there's an outline on the right view, means what? And then there's a cutout right on the way here, right? So that means there is a hidden line here. Okay, alright, hidden line all the way. So that means there's a hidden line feature here. Oops, need to change this to hidden line. And the last line that I need to have is, if I look at the front view, right view, okay, there's something that's hidden. Okay, this edge here. Okay, looking from the top, I can see from here to here, there's a line that's hidden. So from here to here, okay, is this one. So I put it on. Alright, this is how it is supposed to look like. And let's compare with the 3D object, 3D model. Okay, hidden line here, and looks like it's all similar. Right? Okay, so that's the end of the video.